Hello, this phone has a diatone. The challenge right now is passing the floor trunk neatly so that it doesn't disturb the user. So that is what I'm going to be dealing with today. I'll show you how to neatly pass the floor trunk so that the user wouldn't complain at all. I'm going to be using a flat floor trunk that has a two-way paper tape on it at the end. This is a two-way paper tape. I'll remove the tape later. Now I'm going to be passing this floor trunk. First of all, I have to clean the floor first, get rid of the debris there. Then I will neatly lay the floor trunk on the floor. Then this will be covered later. When I'm through, I'm going to screw that in the way it's supposed to be. I have measured this floor trunk and I've cut it according to the size I want. So now I'm going to show you how to fix it easily. First of all, I'm going to remove the top layer, which is the top cover of this floor trunk. You can see the way it looks like inside. It can take more than 2, 3, 4 cables if you choose to use more than that. And then let me confirm the measurement again. Everything appears to be fine. Then I'll go ahead and remove the paper tape on it. Gently remove the paper tape. Oops, I am going to fix this. Okay, I think I'll do with this. Okay, I've gotten a hold of it. So the paper tape is out. I am going to be passing this intercom cable around the wall. I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to be using a special kind of flat intercom cable that will go flat on the wall, and it will become impossible for anybody to notice that the cable even passed through that place. Now the floor trunk is on the ground, firmly on the floor, and then I'm going to pass the wire on it. For now, I have only one intercom cable passing through it, but this particular floor trunk has the capacity to take up to 4 cables. If you choose to, you can pass your intercom cable and your other Cat6 cables through it. So I'm going to cover it up neatly now. I'm going to cover it up neatly. Okay, this is done. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll show you how to pass this this special kind of flat intercom cable around the wall. This is not your regular oval or round intercom cable. This is a flat intercom cable that can go flat on the wall. I'm going to be using a special stick fast glue, and if you find it hard getting any of this material I'm using, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I will direct you on how to be able to get each of them. So I'm going to steady my camera neatly so that you can see what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to be doing here basically is passing this cable around the wall without using the wall clip. There is this wall clip. Instead, I'll be using a stick fast glue, so I don't have to use a hammer to hit anything on the wall to disturb the office or the user within this office. So this is the flat cable. You can see it is very, very flat. I hope my camera can be able to pick the flatness of this wire, but if so, don't worry, this cable is flat and it's going to go flat on the wall, and it will be hard for anybody to notice that there is a cable passing through that part of the wall. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be applying this glue 2 centimeters apart. You don't have to apply it all the way through, that will be wasting glue. So I'm going to be applying the glue. Okay, but I won't do it direct from the bottle because I don't want to waste it. Rather, I am going to use something to just take some drops, because I don't need much. I just need 3 or 4 drops, and that will be okay for that portion I'm dealing with. So I'm going to take little portions of the glue and apply it to it. Because it's stick fast, I just have to hold it for a couple of seconds and it is done. Then I move to the next phase. I apply a couple of drops again. So like I said, 3-4 drops is enough for one area, for one section, and then you just do it all around, maybe 2 or 3 centimeter apart, and that is fine. So this is going to go, I'll come back to this later. So this is going to go around the wall. You can see the cable is already around the wall. I'm going to apply a little glue to this end of the wall again. If you haven't already done so, I would like you to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when my videos comes up again. I post regularly. I have a lot of videos on how to fix a whole lot of stuff, from printers to PABS repairs to scanners, copiers, CCTV installation, repairs, and all kinds of office equipment. So I'm going to apply a couple of drops to this area, then I'll hold it down for a couple of seconds for it to dry up, and that is that for that section. You can see it is done. So just hold it down with my hand. Okay, hold it down this way. Oops. Okay, it's done right now. I'll just hold it down for a couple of seconds, maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and that is done. Then I'll move to the next phase. Just hold it down firmly this way. And this particular glue is very hard. It doesn't come off easily. It's a special stick fast glue. Okay, I'm going to get a piece of paper to hold it down with so that it doesn't mess up my hand. Okay, see, a couple of seconds and that is done. I'll just go to the next phase. I'll remove the piece of paper later. Okay, just apply a couple of drops here just to be sure everything is fine with that area. 3 or 4 drops is enough for one area. I'm just applying another because I felt I didn't hold it down long enough, so I just apply a couple of drops there just to be sure everything is fine with that area. You can see how neat it is from this angle. So I'll continue with this section of it again, and I'll do it all the way down. Okay, so we'll just follow the same procedures that we've been using all along, which is apply a couple of drops to an area of the wire, 3 or 4 centimeter apart. 2, 3, 4 centimeter apart is enough. Apply a couple of drops, hold it down for a couple of seconds, maybe 3, 4, 5 seconds, and then the glue dries up fast because it's a stick fast glue. And because this is going around the wall, you don't have to bother about somebody stepping on it or any object passing on top of it and then disrupting the connectivity of the intercom. So you can see I held. Okay, so this section should be done right now. I think everything is fine with this section. The glue has taken effect, and then everything is fine with that area. So I'll go ahead with the other area now. I'll just apply a couple of drops to that area. So I'll just hold it down for a couple of seconds, and that will do the trick. So I'll come to this area again, apply a couple of drops. 3, 4, 5 drops is enough. So hold it down for a couple of seconds. 4, 5, 6 seconds is enough. The glue dries up, you go to the next section, and then it's pretty fast. Within a couple of minutes, you've covered a large section of it. Now the reason why I'm taking it all around the back of the user is because the user complains that sometimes he steps on it and it disturbs her when she uses when she walks within her space. So that is what I'm trying to deal with. So instead of going through the normal route where the cable was passed through before, I'm going to be going all the way around with a floor trunk, so she doesn't have to worry about stepping on the cable again. Okay, so this section again, I'm going to apply glue all around, all the way down. I think this is the last section because this is the area that is close to the table. So I'll just finish up with this section, pass the cable under her table, and the job is done. So I'm going to be applying the glue just like I've done before. Okay, so this is the face panel, and then this is the job I've done so far. You can see how neat it is. You won't even notice there's a cable passing through there. And this is the intercom. Okay, I'll show you the intercom that it is connected to. This is the intercom it is connected to. You can see there's a diatone on it. That is why that light is showing each time I remove the handle. So that is that.